Part 2, Exponential Applications. The velocity of a ski jumper t seconds after launching is given by the equation v of t equals 70 times 1 minus e to the negative 0.15 t. After how many seconds is the velocity 60 feet per second? So I'm going to set the equation. The velocity has to be 60, so I have 60 equals 70 times 1 minus e to the negative 0.15 t. And I need to solve for t. First, I'll divide both sides by 70, so I get 6 over 7 equals 1 minus e to the negative 0.15 t. Then subtract 1. I'm trying to get the exponential part by itself, so now I subtract 1, or subtract 7 over 7, so I get negative 1/7 equals negative e to the negative 0.15 t. Divide both sides by negative 1, and I get 1/7 equals e to the negative 0.15 t. Now I can change this to logarithmic form. So I have the log base e, or natural log of 1/7 equals negative 0.15 t, and divide both sides by negative 0.15. So I have the natural log of 1/7 divided by negative 0.15 equals t. Now I put the 1/7 in parentheses to remind myself when I put this in my calculator, I have to close those parentheses before I divide by the negative 0.15. And when I do that in my calculator, I get t is approximately 12.9 seconds. Don't forget the units. This does say seconds, so the answer is in seconds. A newly discovered bacteria grows according to the equation p equals 2000 e to the 2.5 t, where p is the number of bacteria present after t hours. So if I were to plug in 3 for t, I would get how many bacteria are present after 3 hours. If I plug in 10 for t, I get how many bacteria there are after 10 hours. Now let's look at the question. If the initial number of bacteria is 2,000, how long in hours will it take the population to double? So if we start with 2,000, we're going to end with 4,000. So I have 4,000 equals 2,000 e to the 2.5 t. Now I need to solve for t. It says how long in hours, so I'm trying to find the time, which in this case is t. If I divide both sides by 2,000, 4,000 divided by 2,000 is 2. So I have 2 equals e to the 2.5 t. Change this to logarithmic form, and I get log base e of 2 equals 2.5 t. Divide by 2.5, and I get the natural log of 2 divided by 2.5. So that's the exact answer. Put this in your calculator, and you're going to get approximately 0.27726 hours.